Hey all, welcome back to the video. In this video, we are going to see about the formula HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP is no different than VLOOKUP except in one manner that in VLOOKUP, we will be looking up to the value and get the result from a vertically aligned table. And in HLOOKUP, we are going to use a horizontally aligned table. So where the headers or the unique values or something is in the first row and all the related dependencies or will be in the second row. Headers will be in the left side. Okay, so generally this is the product name in VLOOKUP table and this is the product price. So this is the typical type of menu card or something you will be seeing in the entire industry or in the entire world. Generally this is rare, so using HLOOKUP is also quite not often you will be doing it, but still we need to know about the formula when it exists, right? So similarly, you have to keep in mind all those conditions that are applicable to VLOOKUP. So the lookup value should be available in the first row instead of first column in HLOOKUP. The row index number instead of column index number in VLOOKUP, right? So the row index number should be correctly specified based on the range you select, including the hidden rows in between, and whatever is applicable is applicable. You have to be very careful about the match type as well. So equal to HLOOKUP. Lookup value is this product 5, comma, table array is this entire horizontally aligned table, fix that to copy paste if you want. So comma, row index number is second row contains the result, so row index number is 2 and I want an exact match, so 0 will be typed here and enter. So this is as simple as this, and you can even change the number and check whether the results are correct. So if you are good and if you have practiced VLOOKUP very often and you are using it very often, you are clear how to use VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP works in a similar way in the inverse data. That's it, right? So that's all. We will catch up in the financial formulas video where we will be saying about the EMI related functions. So financial, how to calculate EMI, what will be the principal portion in the first EMI or the third EMI or something, what will be the interest portion of the EMI, what is the interest rate, how it has to be calculated, so on and so forth in the next video. Until then, bye bye.